It's a 2019 Kia Sorento. Your life requires you to be adaptive, and your vehicle should be too. This Sorento's the perfect fit for everything you need it to be. It comes with all the amenities you need. Driver selectable mode, front heated leather bucket seats, integrated navigation system with voice activation, parking distance warning, dual zone climate control, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth streaming audio, smart liftgate, hands-free liftgate, memory exterior door mirror settings, and automatic transmission. Consumer Reports finds the Sorento offers lots of interior space, yet is easily maneuverable and simple to access. Reliability, quality, Kia. Someone's going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. Should be you. Test drive it today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.